going to turn now to Dr. Jen Ashton to answer your coronavirus questions. Start with Peggy, one of our viewers. She asked, how do you feel, Doc, about a child that sneezed twice and was sent home from school and cannot return until he has a negative COVID test? Well, are you seeing that it's also allergy season? So what do you do here?
Well, I think it speaks to the concern and fear that we're dealing with in real time this academic year. To be crystal clear, though, you guys, that reaction is not based in scientific data, evidence, and fact. It's fear. And it's not even erring on the side of caution. It's potentially doing something that has more harms than benefits. So we have to remember children are recommended to wear masks. So if they sneeze within a mask, there really should be not really a big problem there. And there are other things like seasonal allergies, influenza, other circulating respiratory viruses that can cause a simply benign sneeze.
Yeah, we were sneezing before COVID-19.
Right, but it's a tough situation for sure.
Certainly is, and a lot of people looking to figure out how to clean their homes. Azul asks this, does steam cleaning kill germs, including coronavirus?
This is a good one, you guys, and the answer is yes and no. So we have to distinguish between surface cleaning and killing viruses, and then on our person, on our bodies, and cleaning or killing viruses. This is an easy virus to kill, just with basic, routine, standard cleaning processes. We do not need to take this to an unrealistic operating room level of sterility here. And we have to also remember that doing these things on a physical being can actually be quite dangerous. So do not do any kind of steam cleaning on your person.
All right, Dr. Jen, thank you so much. And you can submit your questions to Dr. Jen on her Instagram at Dr. J. Ashton.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.